That's another building, another hostel for international students. Playground where you can run, play tennis, volleyball, basketball. Especially this sports area is for Kuban State Medical University students. Hello students, this is the hostel number 1 of Kuban State Medical University. All foreigners live here. So let's see how the hostel look inside. As you can see, no smoking sign. There is no smoking area. This is the hallway as you enter. Here, there's always 24/7 security. There are a lot of cameras around the hostel area to have the security system. And there is always the 24/7 guard available here. Now we are entering to the hostel. That's the entrance. This is the corridor. All the safety requirements and safety and health regulations on the board. This is the room for the conference. This is the common study room or the conference hall. Let's see. As you can see, a lot of sitting area is available over here. Usually students sit here and study and do their homework and other things. It's a quiet room like the study room. From the window we can see the sports area, which we will see closer a little bit later. It's in Russian written. Study room. This is the kitchen. As you can see, electric cookers are there. Electric stove to cook, to wash your vessels. This is the kitchen where our Indian students are cooking. So what are you cooking? What are you cooking?
Cabbage.
Cabbage? Ah, smells good. Here's the view from the window. Hi. So this is the room where our Indian girl students are staying. So how many of you are staying in this room?
3.
3? Yeah. What can you tell about the hostel? Do you like it or do you have any problems?
Yeah, we like it. Yes, we like it.
And you are studying in which year?
We are studying in first year.
Okay, good, good. And from where are you? From India?
We are from Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay, and you?
I'm also from Mumbai.
You are also from Mumbai. Okay. They have the cupboards here to put your clothes. Small tumbachkis, which are cupboards. Study table. Yeah. And there's another study table over here. And if you will request, they will give you one more study table, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, now let's have a look in for the room for the washing clothes. All these facilities have been provided by the university administration. As you can see, it's written in Russian. These 3 washing machines are specially given for the Indian students. There's a timetable when can students wash their clothes, and they have to fall under the line, follow the rules. These are the toilets. Western toilets. This is for the washing faces and small clothes. There's a fridge available over here, the study table, fan. This room is for 3 people, but currently only 2 people are staying. Same cupboards. The students have the vacuum cleaner, fridge, all the facilities. From here, there is the kitchen over there. Yeah.